There was a lot of late sittings in my internship. So, like coming home at say 11 o'clock in the night and then waking up again at 7 a.m. in the morning and studying was really difficult. When people tell you that you can't do all of this, I am here to tell you that yes, you can do it, but you need to be consistent. Hi, I am Kushi Kohli and I graduated from R.A. Podar College somewhere around in the month of March 23. I have recently become an ACC affiliate in the December 24 attempt. I'm also currently pursuing my internship in a CA firm. So my ACC journey has been like a roller coaster ride. There have not been like all good days. There have also been bad days, and I have like constantly motivated myself through those days. So the biggest challenges that I faced was doing my internship and my ACCA papers together. So I had my PM and AFM both December 23 attempt, and I managed to clear both of those papers within a preparation of just 1 month. Managing two papers in just month's time was very difficult, but I had made it a point that I need to give both the papers and I need to pass them as well. So I would study for long hours, keeping my phone away. I would not get involved in anything that would distract me, and I would constantly study. And every single day, I would be like, okay, I need to wake up early and I need to complete the target that I've set for myself. Also, the other challenges that I faced was there was a lot of late sittings in my internship. So, like coming home at say 11 o'clock in the night and then waking up again at 7 a.m. in the morning and studying was really difficult. But then I still did that, even though it stressed me out a bit. But when I knew that I had a paper coming, I had to wake up every day early and study and then go to my office. So, what I loved about ACCA the most is that the flexibility that I had in giving papers. So, giving one paper at a time or two papers at a time. The other thing that I loved about ACCA was starting my PVR at any time that I wanted. So, I started it off way earlier. And the thing that I loved about my journey was that synthesis learning was there with me when I was giving my papers. I constantly got my doubts resolved whenever I could get my time. Then, like the flexible schedule that synthesis had, like they had recordings available of the lectures, and I could not always watch the live lectures as I was working as well. So I could watch those recordings at my own pace. That was the thing that I loved about synthesis the most. And the teaching for like certain exams, for example, like SBR, FR, I loved that the most. And I fell in love with those papers, and I'm actually even practicing in that as well. Like in my internship, like I see myself applying those concepts which I learned, and my concepts have been clear because the teaching was really good. The advice that I want to give to the ACC aspirants is that don't let anybody tell you that you can't give two papers together or you can't do your full-time internship with your papers. It is possible if you put your mind to it. For example, like when I completed my 5 papers, I went in for an internship, and alongside my internship, I completed the remaining papers, and it is purely possible. I have also given 2 papers at the same time with my internship. So when people tell you that you can't do all of this, I am here to tell you that yes, you can do it. But you need to be consistent. You need to have a schedule, and you also need to set targets for yourself and ensure that you are achieving them. And the key to your success is to be consistent.